Alright, here it is. It's a 5-stone Lansky knife sharpening kit. Comes with some honing oil right there. This clamp for your blade, and then 5 different stones. From coarse, which is I believe 70 grit. It's extra coarse. I don't know if that's gonna focus or not. All the way down to a ceramic ultra fine stone, which is 1000 grit. Alright, the way this works, let me get my knife out. This is the clamp that also has adjustments there for your different angles of cut, depending on what degree you want on your blade. You want 30, 25, 20, or 17. I'm going to do probably a 25 if I can. It's got a nice padding in here on the inside to keep from damaging the edge of your blade whenever you're working on it. And I'm going to try and get the knife in here. I've got a buck, which is a pretty thick blade, so I might not be able to get it in there that easily. It says you want a ½ inch from the edge of the jaw here to the edge of the blade, just to make clearance for your stone.
Yeah, I see. Is he going to get you?
There we go.
Yeah, he's going to get you.
Let's see, I've got that pinched in there. Let me try. Kind of want that to pinch better up here. Loosen it a little bit. Alright. So there's that set up in there. Let's see it. Crank it down a little bit. So I've already got this kind of sharp. I'm going to go with this stone, which is a medium grade, 280 grit. There's not enough light. Yeah. After you get your knife in there, you got a hole here with these different rods. Through there.
What's this?
I'm making a little video for your dad, Carl. Show him how it works.
Using this as like a magnifying glass.
What? Oh, that? No, I mean I can see fine. It's just that's a mount, so I can use both hands. Yeah, you can use both hands. There's 25. Let's see how that lines up on there.
The recordings?
Yeah, it looks like I need a 20.
You're gonna edit this so that only the best footage is there, right?
Of course. There's that. I'm gonna have to move the camera a little bit. This will work. Now put the rod through the 20. The hole in the 20 there. Ooh. There. And you can just pull it down against the knife. Looks like I'm still hitting the brace there a little bit. Now if you want to make sure that you're getting every part of your blade, the whole way down, you can take a Sharpie and go right on that edge, right on the very edge of it, and then you just sharpen until you have all of the pen mark off of it. Like if you've got a blade that's got a dip in it, or you were sharpening with a wheel or something like that that really kind of messed up your edge. In my case, I've treated that knife pretty good, so it's in pretty good condition. You just do that on either side and then keep going until you get it to your amazing polished perfection, or whatever you're going for. That's about how it works. Yay!